it, Stephen. This way. Come here. Over in front of the camera.
Michael, come here. Leave it alone, Michael.
I'm just looking at it.
You can't see it. So we got to be. There you go. This is us at the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. Say your name out loud, Michael.
Michael!
Say your name out loud, Stephen. Say your name out loud, Lynn.
Out loud, Lynn.
I'm out loud, Carrie. Fabulous.
Yeah, haha.
Sure. That's part of the Yellowstone Fall, way up there at the canyon. We're here on Inspiration Point. Smile, you two. You're in my video.
Oh.
Thanks. Hey, now that's a good shot.
Yep.
Look at that old bar. Look at that old bar.
I see. Can't really. Yep. Oh, it's cool.
Isn't he handsome? He's a good looking guy. He's enjoying that pool. I'll tell you what. Madison River. Everyone's taking pictures. That's a pretty fall. Love the waterfall here.
Please stop. You're gonna make me faint. No, it's
Hold your
that.
breath. Sucker.
I still smell it.
And what I want you to do is break the rules. I want you to go jump in that. I'm kidding. It's hot. That will burn you bad.
Well,
This is us at Norris Geyser Basin.
inside the water. Smell deeply, people. Smell deeply.
Smell deeply. Let's say that together.
Smell deeply.
Smell the air. And the smell it stinks.
Okay, you guys, smile. You're in my video. Look at that. Wow.
That's weird.
That's the different color lichen. That's actual living planet.
Minute geyser.
This is Minute Geyser. They call this one Shield Spring.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
So, Mom, what do you do when
This is us eating lunch in the car. Everybody eating?
I'm eating grapes right now.
I have no idea if this is even catching them. Well, this is how we ate lunch in the car. Let's see, yeah, I got you. Here's me. I'm the driver, so I gotta pay attention, so I can't just sit here and talk to this wonderful camera all day long. There's more of the Yellowstone Lake.
We're going to die.
We're going to... He says we're going to die. Look, I can drive no hands. Put the hands on the wheel, stupid!
Michael?
Oh, there we go. Look at that. Lunch. Lunch is served. Check this out, man. These guys are picking
Get
out.
the other hot dogs.
Okay, I got to turn this off now because I got to focus on driving. Photographers have taken pictures of this with filters. That's how they got it so blue. You get their faces? Straight. You get our faces? Did you stick your tongue out?
No.
Yeah.
We're here at Yellowstone having fun. This is it. Hey, get your mug out of there, Steven. Michael, you're a good cameraman.
Okay.
All right, we're having fun now.
You let the first people suffer.
on what? There are rights here? And are there rights?
This is Lynn showing off. He's going to walk the rail. Come on, get up there. Hurry up. Come on, get up there.
No, don't bump
You can do it. He can do it. Lynn's going to show us what he's made of. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. One more.
Do it.
He can do it. Close. One more, buddy. He's trying to walk the rail. He's trying to walk. Here.
Hold this, Dad.
For
Hold
Pete's
this. I need to do it.
Oh, well, you're cheating. You're not getting up there right. Hurry up. Come on. Look at that.
Look at that.
Okay,
Oh,
here.
it's better than I got.
Here, film me.
No, at least I went one step than you.
Oh, look at him.
You can't do it any
Oh! Move, Michael, move!
Come on.
Move!
Keep going.
Bunch of show offs.
It's all day and many nights this way. We can't even get up there. Does that mean we're old? Look at this. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, yeah.
Even dance.
What a show off.